Good morning, guys. Good to see you. I hope you're doing fine at home. Stay safe. Don't go out, okay? These are not vacations. So what I want you to do today is to practice a bit of speaking, okay? So we're going to be using the same PowerPoint we started in class, but just as a reminder, I'm going to do this video to recall what were the 3 steps, okay? So let's see. How to describe a picture? There are many ways to describe a picture. We are going to use 3 steps to describe a picture, okay? The first step is called describing, okay? Here you say what you actually see, literally, okay? In step 2, you're going to infer. This is what you think is happening. It's your opinion. And in step 3, you're going to tell a story. Here comes your creativity, your ability to come up with a story from your own imagination. So let's start with step number 1. What do we see here? Okay, so here I wrote some things that you can actually see. So we have a red sweater, a glass of wine, some juice, turkey, green vegetables, carrots, etc. So what is my description for this? In this picture, I see 6 people, 3 men and 3 women, okay, at a table. The man wearing a red sweater is smiling. The woman on the left is wearing a light blue blouse. So no opinion, no story, just what I see. The step number 2 is to infer. Some tips I would like you to consider are to make sure you use expressions that show us that you are telling an opinion. For example, I could say, I think they are celebrating. Maybe it's a birthday party, maybe it's Thanksgiving, maybe it's Christmas. They all look very happy. In my opinion, they are having a great time. Besides, the food looks delicious. Did you see how I use expressions to state that it was my opinion? I hope you did. In step number 3, we go with a story. So this is what I come up from my imagination. There are no incorrect answers, okay? Some tips that I would like you to pay attention to are the following. Use names, provide a context, and mention feelings or emotions, okay? So this was Thanksgiving. Context. My Uncle Tom invited his family for dinner. So context, dinner, names, Uncle Tom. We had turkey and it was delicious. This is what I think, my opinion about it, okay? But it's part of the story. My cousin James, names, told a joke. It was very funny. We laughed a lot. So I used names, I provided a context, and I also included some emotions. What is the difference between telling a story and inferring is that when you infer, you state that is your opinion. How? With these expressions. But when you're telling a story, you never say that you think. You say it as if it was absolutely true. Email, sorry. Okay. So we're gonna practice together, okay? In the following picture, okay? I'm gonna do it right now for you. So, what do I see? I see 4 people, okay? 1 man and 1 woman and 2 children. There is a man wearing a yellow t-shirt and there is a woman wearing an orange t-shirt, okay? Or a top. The 2 children, they look, mistake. Can I say they look? No, because that is the next step. So they don't look. The 2 children are wearing a white top, okay, and shorts. Then step number 2, inferring. So I think they are a family. I think they are on vacation. I think they are having a good time. That's what I think, my opinion, okay? Then step number 3, a story. This is James and his wife Sarah. okay? This is Thomas and this is James Jr. They are a nice family. They are on vacation in the south of Chile. They are having a fantastic time. They are staying there for 7 days, and I took this picture because I was invited to go on vacation with them. So, 3 steps: details, inferring, telling a story. What is the task for this week? Something that you have to do, but you don't have to send it to me, okay? I want you to choose 3 pictures, and you are going to practice at home. How can you practice if nobody's there? The idea is that you can use your cell phone and you can make a recording of yourself speaking. Then listen to it, analyze it. Did you make any mistakes? Did you use I think in the story? Did you use I think in the details? Those are the things that you have to pay attention to. Maybe next week, I'm gonna ask you to do it again and send me the recording. So please practice this week, okay? Thank you for sending the documentary, and also thank you for sending the task. Please read the instructions, okay? I'm trying to be as clear as possible with my instructions. If you are not sure if you understood the task correctly, please send me an email. You know my email, mariana.bolton@cognita.com. Another thing, when you send me an email, make sure that in the document you write your name and task 1 or task 2, because I try to organize everything, and it's very difficult if you have 150 documents that say task 1 without a name, okay? So I hope you like this video. It was very embarrassing for me, so please don't laugh, and I hope to see you very soon. Stay safe. Bye, guys.